Hello, hola, chess, mi amigos. Today is the day 10 building in Notion, and I have one small win. One person asked me to share my project management template, and it's been just 10 days while I'm building and sharing it online, and somebody asked me for my template. It's crazy, and I'm really happy about it, and really happy to know that I can actually help somebody with their process or projects. It's so cool. So yeah, most of the day I was basically trying to polish the template and figure out how to share it, because I never did it before, but it was a nice experience. Now I focus more on the overall view of the main template, goals template, just to finish with the whole structure. So I have like main dashboard, tasks, vision board, and additional page for all the databases. So once I finish with that, I will go to the monthly views and connection with the key results, key tasks, but more on that later. See you soon.